Hi guys, warm welcome you all in today's video of the Victorian era. We are going to discuss important novelists of this age, Victorian era. Yes, friends, this era started with the accession of Queen Victoria on the throne of England in 1837 and it lasted till the death of Queen Victoria in 1901. So, the overall time duration of this period is from 1837 to 1901, and this period of English literature, which is known as Victorian era, is one of the most important and flourish and glorious era in English literature. And this era saw the development and one kind of a glorious things in the field of novel. Yes, that's why इस वीडियो में हम जो डिस्कस करेंगे इंपॉर्टेंट नॉवेलिस्ट डिस्कस करेंगे और बहुत ही ब्रीफली मैंने उनके इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क्स को इस वीडियो में इंक्लूड किया हुआ है सो दैट आप एक ओवरव्यू ले सको how and what kind of literature of the novelist of Victorian era had written in his literary career, in their literary career. So let's begin that very fastly. And here we have the novelist of the Victorian period, and this period started 20th June 1837 to 22nd January 1901. This is the duration of the Victorian era with the accession of Queen Victoria. जब ब्रिटेन पे एक्सेस किया रेन उनको मिला 20 जून 1837 से लेकर के 22 जुलाई जनवरी 1901 तक का टाइम इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में विक्टोरियन एरा के नेम से जाना जाता है एंड दिस era was named after the Queen Victoria. It was a long period of continuous development. Yes, it was a continuous development of economic and social welfare in England. In the reign of Queen Victoria, England saw a kind of flourishment, a kind of glorious things in Britain. You can talk about economic field or you can talk about social field. The, that was a kind of development seen during duration of the Queen Victoria reign. And in literature, novel came as a prominence, as a dominant genre. Yes, friends, you have seen that in Elizabethan time, drama was on its top and in its high note, and drama was the dominant genre in English literature at the time of the Elizabethan time. And in Victorian era, you will say that poetry was on the top of the genre at the time of the Romantic age. But in Victorian era, novel was one of the prominent and dominant genre of English literature during this time of the Queen Victorian reign or Victorian period. William Thackeray, Charles Dickens, Bronte sisters, George Eliot, who is known as Mary Ann Evans, and Thomas Hardy. They were the most prominent writer, important writer of this era, and we will discuss here the first Charles Dickens, one of the important novelists and greatest novelists of this era, and he created best known fictional characters. Yes, and is regarded one of the greatest novelists of the Victorian era, and his work, the posthumous papers of the Pickwick Club, which is known as the Pickwick Paper, was Charles Dickens' first and personal favorite novel. Yes, Pickwick Paper, and the full name of this work of this novel, the posthumous papers of the Pickwick Club, was Charles Dickens' novel, and Charles Dickens' first and personal record. His most important work include Oliver Twist, A Christmas Carol, Dombey Son, David Copperfield, and this is one of the important novel of Charles Dickens, Bleak House, Little Dorrit, A Tale of Two Cities, yes, in which London and Paris cities were talked about by the Charles Dickens, and Great Expectations. These are the important works of Charles Dickens. Next we have Thomas Hardy. Yes, friends, Thomas Hardy, born in 1840 and he last till 1928. This is the duration of Thomas Hardy. And in the later decades, this was in the later decade of the Victorian era, Thomas Hardy was the most important novelist of in the tradition of George Eliot. George Eliot was also one of the novelists of the Victorian era, and he followed Thomas Hardy ने जो follow किया था, that was the tradition of the जॉर्ज इलियट जिस तरीके से लिखा करती थी नॉवेल्स, जिस थीम्स पे बेस्ड ऑन हुआ करती थी उनकी नॉवेल्स, एंड दैट्स वाज ऑफ द थॉमस हार्डी. He was influenced both in his novel and in his poetry by romanticism. Yes, friends, this is one of the important facts about Thomas Hardy's literary works, that he was very much influenced with the romanticism, romantic concept, romantic theories, and romantic rule and revelation, romantic ideas. He was very much influenced with these romanticists, and his work Under the Greenwood Tree. This was one of the important work. Far from the Madding Crowd, Mayor of the Casterbridge, and Test of the D'Urbervilles, the Woodlander Sand, and Jude the Obscure. These all are very famous, well known, and important novels of Thomas Hardy, who had written novels in the later part of the Victorian era or last decade of the Victorian era. Now let's discuss few more important novelists of this era. Another novelist of this Victorian era, William Makepeace Thackeray, from 1811 to 1863. This is the time duration of W.M. Thackeray, and he was the great rival of the Charles Dickens, because first of the Victorian era, because they had written on the same time and in the same genre, that was fiction, that was novel. And William Makepeace Thackeray was well known for his satirical works, and particularly for Vanity Fair. This is subtitled A Novel Without Hero. This is the subtitle of the Vanity Fair, which was a fictional work of William Makepeace Thackeray, and it is one of the important work of Thackeray. And among other famous work we have of Makepeace Thackeray, that was Pendennis, Catherine, The Luck of Barry Landon, and the Adventures of Philip. These are other important works of W.M. Thackeray, William Makepeace Thackeray. Next, we have Bronte sisters. Yes, friends, this is the group of sisters, and in this group, there were three sisters: Charlotte Bronte, Emily Bronte, and Bronte. These are the group of sisters. Charlotte Bronte from 1816 to 1865. This is the time duration of the Charlotte Bronte. Emily Bronte from 1818 to 1848, and Anne Bronte, this is 1820 to 1849. This is the time duration of Anne Bronte. And the most significant work what they have written, what they have given to literature in the Victorian era, that was that was around 1840s. Yes, 1840s was the period time, that was the decade when that was known as the by the Bronte sisters literary works. And we have Charlotte Bronte's Jane Eyre. This is one of the most prominent and most important work of English literature and also of Victorian era. Was the first to achieve success. Yes, friends, this was the work of the Charlotte Bronte, and it achieved success, which was known as the fictional work Jane Eyre. And we have the another sister's work, that is Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights. Yes, this is also one of the important work of, and these novels considered best novel of English literature till now. Yes, even till now, readers very enthusiastically they go through these novels, and these are still regarded very prominent and very significant work of English literature. Anne Bronte's The Tenant of Wildfell Hall. This is another work of Anne Bronte's, another work of another sister, and other works were significantly not immediately very much appreciated by the Victorian critics. Next, we have George Eliot. Yes, friends, 1819 to 1880. This is the time duration of George Eliot. Mary Ann Evans, known by her pen name George Eliot. Mary Ann Evans was her real name, but she had written her works, her literary works, by the pen name that is called George Eliot, and she is famous in English literature by the name of the George Eliot. And Thomas Hardy, I had already told you that he had followed the tradition of the George Eliot, and was one of the most leading writer of the Victorian era. She is the author of the seven novels. Yes, friends, Adam Bede, one of the important work, The Meal of the Flowers. This is also important work of Iliad, Silas Marner, Romola, Flix Holt, The Radicals, and Middlemarch, and the Daniel Deronda. These all are the important novels of the George Eliot, and most of which are known for their realism and psychological treatment. Yes, friends, these novels written by George Eliot, they had some kind of reality. They had related to the realistic things of the society, and also they have some kinds of psychological insight. You can also say this. They have related to the psychological effects and psychological ideas. So, friends, in this video, we had discussed very briefly important novelists of the Victorian era, and they had discussed here. We all had discussed here very briefly because in our separate videos, we will discuss one by one these all novelists very in a detailed way so that you can separately understand each and every novelist of the Victorian era. Till then, keep connecting England Zone, and please watch out the other videos of this channel, and please join the membership of this channel. You will be benefited after joining the membership of the channel because there I am providing you the PDF of the uploaded videos on this channel, and also if you want notes of English literature, you will get that after joining the membership of this channel. Please go through the join button and click on that, and also in description box you can check out there the link provided by me there in the description box of the membership. But whatever you have, you can say that membership facilities or membership benefits what I am providing there, you can check out that. And thank you very much for watching this, and wait for the next video. Thanks.